Hello guys, today we are seeing a trailer made for Pakistan. This is an aluminum tank. It could carry the liquid cargo inside. In the front, we have the air connection such like this, which is a little bit different than the other trailers we have seen before. It usually put the tank connections here because it has no front booster in the front. And this is the air connection. This is the electricity socket. Here is the indicator light. This is the kingpin plate. We use the bolted type kingpin plate to contact with the frame together, because this is a tank on the top. So if you need to check or maintenance or do the repairing, you need to remove the kingpin plate from here. That's why we don't weld it on. The kingpin we can see is 15mm bolted type. Here is the landing gears. It is double-side operation landing gears with 2 fire extinguisher box. This is the braking line, the electricity line, something like this. My head just hit the light here. It's very hurt. Okay. Here we can see the tank body is sitting on the frame. We put a small plate here. This is the welding on the aluminum plate. The material we can see is right here. It's 5454. It's upside down. Okay, here we have the spare tire carrier over here. And we can go inside from here. Okay. At here we can see it is the bottom of the trailer. Over there it is a air reserve tank, and this is the emergency valve. The brand is Vapco. And here is the line, the nylon tube from the front to the emergency valve, and this pipe is to the air chamber. And that's how it looks to the rear. We use steel suspension. We can see it later when we get out. Okay, let's get out from here. Okay. This is a steel frame. This is not aluminum. Sorry. The steel frame bolted on the aluminum frame, and this subframe connecting with the steel suspension. That's how we do this for this trailer. Here is the discharge box. If we open the box, we can see here is the key. Once it arrives, you can get the key out. Here is the discharge ball valve, and this is the handle. If you open it, it would very strong. Okay. All right. Here's the switch. Open and close. Right in Chinese. Need to be very strong to open this one. Okay. Here is the haven't been finished quite well. Okay, here is the drawn hole block. If there's any leakage here, you can open this one. But if it is gas or gasoline, you need that hole. You need that hole to drain all those gasolines out, but you don't want to waste it, so you can put something at the bottom and then open this one. It's a pretty good design, actually. Okay, let's close it. Here is the discharge house keeping pipe, so you can open the door here and put it inside, then you can use it. We have the emergency valve switch here, so once there's any emergency happens, you just press it, then all the bottom valve will shut the tank to the outside, so you can fix it, then you can open it later. Here is another discharge box. On this side we can see it is 3-axle here with the mud cover on top of it. This is the toolbox. If you open it, you can see the cover of the ball valve we were seeing. We put it here. And this is the key of this toolbox. Let's close it. And then we need to go to the top of the tank to have a look about it. We have a stairs at the rear. We can get to the top through these stairs. Okay, see you up there. Now we are up there on the top of the tank body. Here is the protection. You can open like this, or you can just get it done like this. That's a manhole over there. This is a safety valve. Okay, let's get down. We are off from the top. After we get off from the top, we can see a belt here. It's a belt to release the anti-static electricity. Here is the pipe from the body to the 2 discharge port over here. So this trailer is one department only. One department with a discharge hose at the rear to the 2 left and right side. This is the light. And here we have another pipe storage in the other side. From here we can also see the kimping plate is mounted on with the bolt. Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today. See you guys next time. Bye bye.